In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Send to OneNote printer in Windows. This feature allows you to quickly send documents, web pages, and other printable content directly into OneNote, making it a powerful tool for organizing information. To begin, open the Start menu on your Windows computer and navigate to the Control panel. From there, locate the section for Devices and Printers, where you can view all the printers currently installed on your system. Take a moment to check if the OneNote desktop printer is already listed. If it appears there, then the feature is already set up and ready to use. If you don't see it in the list, the next step is to install or enable it. This is typically done by ensuring that Microsoft OneNote is properly installed on your computer, as the printer option is included with the application. Open OneNote and make sure it is functioning correctly. In many cases, simply having OneNote installed will automatically add the OneNote desktop printer to your system. After confirming that OneNote is installed, return to the Devices and Printers window and refresh the list. If the printer still does not appear, you may need to repair your Microsoft Office installation through the Control panel. This process helps restore any missing components, including the OneNote desktop printer. Once the printer becomes available, you can begin using it immediately. Open any document, web page, or file that you want to send to OneNote and choose the print option as you normally would. When the list of printers appears, select OneNote Desktop instead of your regular printer. After selecting it, proceed with the print command. A prompt will appear asking you where you would like to store the content within OneNote. You'll be able to choose from your notebooks, sections, and pages. Select the appropriate location to keep your notes organized. Once confirmed, the content will be transferred into OneNote and saved as a new page. You can then open OneNote to review the imported material and make any edits or annotations as needed. Setting up the Send to OneNote printer in Windows is a straightforward process, and once it's ready, it becomes an incredibly convenient way to capture information from virtually any application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.